Here are two different sizes of standard aviation connectors. This is a 20mm and this is a 12mm. But if you want to go really fancy with it, this is an EV style aviation connector right here. To remove it, you just push down and pull up. And the design here is really clever. It's designed to be waterproof, so as you tighten this over your cable, it's going to crimp around it. Now to actually solder onto this thing, you need to unscrew this rear part, which makes this part come loose. And you'll notice the pins here actually have numbers on them. And those numbers are printed on the back of this, and they must correspond when you put it back in.